A very good morning to all of you. I hope you are fit and fine. Children, today I am going to start a new chapter, Chapter 10, Computer Malware. In this chapter, we will learn about virus, worm, Trojan horse, how does a computer gets infected, antivirus software, and protecting the computer. So without wasting your much time, let us start today's class. Open page number 146, chapter number 10, computer malware. Malware. Malware is the short form of malicious software. The full form of malware is the malicious software. It is a type of software that are intentionally designed to cause damage to a computer, server, client, or computer network. You know that software is a group of programs that help us to work on a computer. No? As you know, what is a software? Software is a program that help us to work on a computer. But some people create software to stop the computer from functioning properly. These types of software is known as malware. Right? Malware is a software which is developed to stop the computer from functioning properly. मालवेयर ऐसे सॉफ्टवेयर होते हैं जिनको डिज़ाइन किया गया है कंप्यूटर के फंक्शनिंग को रोकने के लिए, कंप्यूटर स्मूथली परफॉर्म ना करे, कंप्यूटर को डैमेज करने के लिए, कंप्यूटर के फंक्शन को डैमेज करने के लिए इसको डिज़ाइन किया गया है. राइट? आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. आई रिपीट वंस अगेन, malware software is that software that designed to stop the computer from functioning properly. This is malware is a very harmful for the computer. It's slowing speed of your computer, and it is stolen login details and password also. Malware includes computer virus, worms, Trojan horse, spyware, adware, ransomware, etc. Malware is commonly known as computer virus in day-to-day life. Means normally computer virus is malware is known as a computer virus in day-to-day life, but there is a difference in the manner in which these different types of malware behave. Let us learn different types of malware. Types of malware. There are different types of malware like computer virus, worms, Trojan horse, adware, bot, bug, ransomware, spyware, etc. But in this chapter we will learn about virus, worm, and Trojan horse. Let's see one by one. Virus. The full form of virus is vital information resources under siege. The full form of virus is vital information resources under siege. A computer virus is a malicious software program loaded onto a user's computer without the user's knowledge and perform malicious action. Means virus is a program that runs on a system against the owner's or user's wish and knowledge. Right? Virus is a types of program, is a types of malicious software that load on a system against the owner's knowledge and perform some malicious actions. Right? I repeat once again, virus is a malicious software that runs on a system against the owner's or user's knowledge and perform some malicious action. It is a kind of malware that spread itself from one computer to another and interfere with the normal operation of a computer. Computer virus is a kind of malware that spread itself from one computer to another and interfere with the normal operation of a computer. Viruses can attach themselves to any type of file and spread when these infected files are copied to other computers. Virus can attach themselves to any type of file, means virus अपने आप को किसी फाइल से attach कर देते हैं and spread, and when these infected files are copied or shared to other computer, then it spread from one computer to other. People unknowingly spread a computer's virus by sharing infected files or sending emails with viruses as attachment. Right? People unknowingly spread a computer virus by sharing or sending emails with virus as attachment. I hope you understand. I repeat once again. Virus is a malicious program that runs on a system without user's permission, right? And it can attach themselves with any types of files, and when the infected files are shared by the user to other computers, it is spread from one computer to other computer. Right? Some viruses are relatively less harmful and some can prove dangerous to your computer. It means that some viruses are less harmful. It only display unwanted messages. However, other viruses can dangerous for your computer. These viruses can delete files, destroy your data, and can even prevent your computer from booting. Right? I hope you understand. Some viruses are relatively less harmful. Some virus is just display an unwanted message on your computer system. On the other hand, some viruses are very dangerous. It can delete your files, destroy your data, and can even prevent your computer from booting. Right? Now, next topic is symptoms of computer virus. A virus can affect a computer in different ways. However, the following problems are commonly noticed when a computer is infected with a virus. The computer runs slower than usual and takes longer time to load programs. If your system is affected with the virus, then your computer runs slower and taking more time to load any programs. This is a first symptoms of the computer virus. If your computer runs slow and taking more time to load any program, then you understand that your computer is affected by the virus. Now, the program behaves erratically and the computer stops responding or hangs frequently. If your system is affected by the virus, then programs behave unusually and your computer stops responding and hangs again and again. It's right. If your system is affected by the virus, then your system hangs frequently. Next is the computer crashes and restarts every few minutes. If the computer is affected by the virus, then computer maybe crashes and restart every few minutes. System will restart again and again if your system is affected by the virus. You are unable to access files or the contents of the files get deleted. If normally if any files are deleted, it is stored in recycle bin. But if your system is affected by the virus, then you cannot access deleted files. Next is, you notice unusual and strange error message appears. When your system is affected by the virus, then unusual and strange error message appears on the screen. New icons appear on the desktop. When your system is affected by the virus, then new icons appear on the desktop. These are the symptoms of the computer virus. If your computer show these types of symptoms, then you understand that your system is affected by the virus. Next is worm. It is a kind of malware that uses computer network to send copies of itself to other computer on the network. It is a kind of malware that uses computer networks to send copies of itself to other computers on the networks. वर्म जो है एक ऐसा malware है जो कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क का यूज करता है. कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क का यूज करके अपनी कॉपीज जनरेट करता है और उस कॉपीज को वो नेटवर्क के थ्रू एक कंप्यूटर से दूसरे कंप्यूटर को ट्रांसफर करता है. राइट. वर्म इज अ काइंड ऑफ malware that uses computer network and to send copies of itself to other computer on the network. worm एक ऐसा malware है जो नेटवर्क का यूज करके अपनी कॉपी जनरेट करता है और उस कॉपी को नेटवर्क के थ्रू एक सिस्टम से दूसरे सिस्टम में ट्रांसफर करता है. Worms can cause severe harm to the network, such as blocking the network or reducing its speed. If your system is affected by the worm, then your network is not run properly. Your network should be blocked or should be reduce the speed. Right? There is a virus requires human actions. There is a difference between worm and virus. Virus require human action, such as transferring the infected file to spread itself. But a worm can spread without any human intervention. It replicates without the knowledge of the user. It means that वायरस को स्प्रेड होने के लिए ह्यूमन एक्शन की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, बट द वर्म replicate itself and it does not need any human intervention. It does not need any human action. Understood? Virus required human action to spread itself, to transfer itself, but worm does not need any human action to spread itself. It can replicate itself without user action. Now Trojan Horse. It is a kind of malware that seems to be useful but will actually cause damage once installed or executed on your computer. Trojan Horse is a kind of malware that seems to be useful but will actually cause damage once installed or executed on your computer. Means a Trojan Horse is a type of malware that pretend to be something useful, helpful or fun, but actually it is stealing data. Right? It is a very harmful for your computer. Understand? I repeat once again, Trojan Horse is a types of malware that pretend to be something useful for the user, but actually it cause damage after installation or after executing on your computer. ये कैसा malware है जो ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है हमारे कंप्यूटर के लिए, बहुत ही यूजफुल होगा हमारे कंप्यूटर के लिए, बट in the reality it is very harmful for your computer. I hope you understand. These are very dangerous as they allow your computer to be remotely controlled by someone else, right? After getting installed, it allows unauthorized access to the computer. When you install Trojan Horse, then your computer remotely controlled by the someone else. Next topic is how does a computer gets infected? There are several ways by which a computer may get infected with virus, worms, Trojan horses, or any other malware. Some of the way by which computer gets infected are CDs, DVDs, or pen drives. Your computer may get infected by copying infected files from CDs, DVDs, or pen drives. Internet. Virus can attach to various types of internet files such as graphics and program files that people download from the internet, right? Email attachment. Virus often travel through email attachments. They enter the computer when you download or run an email attachment. Computer network. A network is formed when a group of computers are connected to one another to share information. All the computers on a network can get infected when an infected file is shared across the network, right? So these are the carrier of malware software through CDs, DVDs, or pen drive, internet, email attachment, computer networks के थ्रू malware हमारे सिस्टम में एंट्री लेते हैं, right? Now next topic is, I hope you understand, computers get infected by CDs, DVDs, or pen drive. When you copy any infected files from CD, DVDs, or pen drive to the other computer, then other computer will be infected, or through internet और ईमेल अटैचमेंट, कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क्स के थ्रू भी इन्फेक्टेड फाइल हमारे सिस्टम में ट्रांसफ़र करती है और हमारे सिस्टम को डैमेज करती है. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज एंटीवायरस. Antivirus is a computer program which is used to prevent, detect, and remove malware. Antivirus software are used to protect a computer from different types of malware, right? An antivirus software can detect virus, worms, etc. and warns you of their presence in your computer. Understand? Antivirus is a computer program which is used to prevent, detect, and remove malware. It is used to protect a computer from different types of malware. Antivirus detect virus, worms, etc. and warns the user of their presence in your computer. There are different types of antivirus software available in the market. For example, Avira, Norton, McAfee, Kaspersky, etc. Whenever you try to copy or access an infected file, the antivirus software show a warning messages, right? When you copy or access any infected file, the antivirus software shows a warning messages to the user, and it prevent you from accessing the infected file or program. There are new viruses being created and distributed every day. It is necessary to update the antivirus regularly. Nowadays, every day new viruses being created. So it is necessary to update your antivirus regularly. I hope you understand. I repeat once again, antivirus is a software that used to prevent malware for entering your computer system, right? Now next topic is protecting the computer. These days computers are being widely used for accessing the internet. You must follow these precautions to stay secure and protect important data. How we protect our computer by from malware? Use original operating system. Use an antivirus software. Update antivirus software on a regular basis. Be aware of email attachment from unknown sources. Scan all emails, attachment and files from CDs, DVDs, etc. before running and storing them on your computer. Visit trustworthy websites. So these are the precautions you should take to avoid entering malware into your computer system. I hope you understand today's. If you have any problem, then message me. Thank you.